What's up everybody, Tim here. Today we're gonna be changing the tires on my bike. What I'm gonna do first though is take off what I currently have, which are these Gravel King SKs in 38. My back one has a little bit of a tear on it, but since I have them set up tubeless, the sealant is working nicely in them. Great tire, would highly recommend the Gravel King SKs if you're looking for a kind of like dual purpose road and gravel tire. But what I'm gonna swap them out with are these right here. These WTB Raddlers. These tires are made more for dirt, gravel, loose, and wet conditions. Definitely aimed more at gravel and cyclocross. And these are the 40 millimeter versions of them, and I can't wait to put them on my bike. Definitely got them in gum wall just because the color of the paint on my frame looks best to me with a gum wall tire. So let's just install them and then we're gonna go out and use them. First thing is first, we have to take the wheels off. Bang. Quite a bit of sealant in here. I'd like to try to save it. Surprisingly, that worked pretty well. Clean it up a little bit. Cool. And these look sick. All right, so now look at that tire, man. That is beefy. Now that we got the bead seated, we need to put the sealant in it. Take off just enough so I can get some sealant in here. Yep. Here we go. One down, one to go. No way. I did it. All right, let's check our bead. Looks good. We did it. We got the Raddlers on, 40C off-road rippers. Yeah, let's just see how it looks on the bike actually.